I'm going to be taking you guys through a complete tutorial on how to register and set up your Payoneer account from anywhere in the world. Let's go. What is up guys, my name is Orinn and welcome back to my channel. If you're excited about this video, be sure to give this a big thumbs up right now. If you want to learn more about making money online and starting your online business, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, so once we are on the Payoneer website, you can go right here to register, and the link for Payoneer will be in the description box below if you need it. Okay, so once you're here they say let's find the right account for your needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. Freelance, agency, service provider, online seller, for marketplace, drop shipper, etc. For example, we go with freelance. And then my monthly volume is not doing cross-border business, less than 5,000, and then 5,000 to 9,000 or 10,000, and then 10,000, 19,000, and so on. For the purpose of this video, we will go ahead with 5,000 to 10,000. And then so here they're basically telling you how you will be paid. You can get paid by clients or via marketplaces. Both. Get paid by leading marketplaces including Upwork, Fiverr, etc. Get paid by your global clients, pay your suppliers, and then receive your earnings to your local bank account at low rates, and also withdraw funds at ATM. So you click register, and this is showing me in Arabic because I'm based in the UAE, but I'm gonna change this to English. And then over here select your type of business, so we will go ahead with individual. And then this is just very simple: your name, first name, last name, your email address, and then your date of birth. Please make sure to put your real name, whatever is in your documents, whatever is in your passport or IDs, because you have to understand Payoneer is just like a bank, so you'll have to treat it like a bank. And then we hit next, and then over here you select your country. You can put your home address, that's fine for now. And then your mobile number, and then you will receive a verification code from Payoneer. Which will look something like this, and then you put that here, and then we hit next. Alright, so in this page these are the security details. So your username is your email ID, and then your passwords, your security question and answers, and then down here your country is already selected, and then you can choose what kind of ID you would like to provide. It can be your national ID or your passport. And then we fill this section with the code and hit next. Almost done. So your country and your currency will mostly be selected, but you can change your currency from here if you want. And then you enter your bank, which will also be listed as per your country, your bank details, your account name and IBAN number, and then agree and continue. Congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. They're basically telling here application has been successfully submitted, and then it's right now in review. So you will receive an email confirmation within several business days once your application has been received. So usually it takes 2 to 3 business days, or sometimes 3 to 5 business days. And at the same time you will receive 2 emails from Payoneer. One would be to verify your email address, so we will go inside this one. Verify email. You will get your customer ID also in this email, and that will bring you to this page. Thank you, you have successfully verified your email. This is a very important step. You need to verify for sure. And then we will go back to our inbox to check the second email. We are reviewing your application for a Payoneer account. It will take up to 3 business days. So it may take 2 to 3 business days or sometimes 3 to 5 business days. You'll just have to wait until they send you a confirmation email, and then that will look something like this. It has been approved and you can sign in. So when you're signing in for the first time, they will ask you to turn on your 2-step verification code. That is what I am setting up over here. And then once it's done, this will say 2-step verification turned on. And they will also give you a recovery code which you can save and keep away safely. And then next they might ask you again to enter your security questions or choose a new one. And once you finish that, it will bring you to your Payoneer dashboard. Here you can check all these things, receiving your payments, make a payment and everything. But we will go here and check in our settings, and we will go to our bank accounts. And so here we have bank accounts for withdrawal and then recipients. So I'm just gonna show you here quickly. This is my bank account inside of the bank accounts, and it's been approved, as you can see. And then everything inside is okay. So you can add up to 2 accounts. Let me quickly show you how it's done. Bank details, so personal and your country, and then your currency, and then your bank name, and then below you enter all your account details, and then you agree, and that's it. The link to sign up with Payoneer is in the description box below. You can go ahead and sign up with that. If this tutorial was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. If you want to learn more about making money online and starting your online business, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be sure to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.